What up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army. We have a Shiba Inu exclusive. Shiba Inu being accepted for Crypto.com's Visa credit card. All right, so that is big news. I have it in the background. You guys know that Crypto.com is one of the top centralized exchanges in the world. In fact, the Staples Center right here in LA was renamed the Crypto.com Arena till like 2040 something, so you know their marketing is on point. And on top of that, so we're gonna cover this. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what Shiba Inu, how they describe Shiba Inu's token, because you guys need to know how to describe Shiba Inu if someone asks you what is Shiba Inu. Then I'm gonna show you guys the price. Okay, we're gonna see how it's spiking right now after the dip, and we're gonna cover an article that actually covers what this is by my favorite author, Yona Gushiken. So if you're into value, getting some of this important info, go ahead and hit that sub, hit that like, bell it up, because some of my stuff is time sensitive and urgent. All right, first of all, crypto.com. This is important. Why? Because if you actually come over here to the chart, and you guys can see it's actually spiking right now, up 3.61%. We are talking about Shiba Inu, and the market cap is at $11.09 billion. Total market cap sitting at $18.83 billion. But look at this, after the massive sells and after the dip on Ethereum, because this dip right here isn't exactly sells. It's actually because Shiba Inu is paired to Ethereum. So of course, tokens that are paired to a token that dips, they're going to go down. So essentially here you have, so even this dip coming up is actually the bounce from Ethereum. All right, cool. Getting too long into it, but what I want to show you about this is, besides the fact that they got almost 1.4 million holders, if you go to the Ether scan, look at the top holders, okay? Besides the dead wallet, which you know holds 41%, Crypto.com, sixth wallet, holds $688 million worth of Shiba Inu, okay? Look at this. Their fifth one over here at over 0.5%, $120 million. All right, you have Robinhood, you got Binance, you got OKX, Robinhood, the Wazir X2, Binance 8. Okay, all that, you have big vested interest when it comes to centralized exchanges. All right, so let me go ahead and just quickly tell you what is Shiba Inu. Okay, so how does this tie into things? My light almost fell. How does this tie into things? You have Shiba Inu, and it's being described as the main token of their ecosystem. This is the Shiba Inu ecosystem, bridging the power of decentralized community-led currency to millions across the globe since its inception in 2020. All right, so basically it says that through third-party intermediaries, all right, it's accepted at hundreds of locations. This is exactly what they are talking about. This is the article that I was talking about, and it is from the Shib. So if you haven't already signed up to the Shib, go ahead and sign up to the Shib. So let's go ahead and get into this quickly, because I want to hit you with this banger fast. So it says exclusive, Shiba Inu joins Elite Club, now accepted for Crypto.com Visa card funding. And of course, this is by Gushiken Yona. All right, so Shiba Inu has reached a significant, and let me just say, this is a dope little graphic. I used part of it for the thumbnail. I don't know who to give credit to. I believe it was done on Dolly. But with that said, it says Shiba Inu, Shib has reached a significant milestone in its journey towards mainstream adoption as it joins an elite group of cryptocurrencies accepted for funding on the Crypto.com Visa card. So of course, you guys know an elite group, not too many people, they have to be vetted. So you have this development comes as a major boost for the Shiba Inu community, further solidifying Shib's position in the evolving landscape of digital assets. Crypto.com, a leading cryptocurrency platform, like I told you guys, their marketing is on point, recently informed its customers via email of an update on the expanded token support for its Visa card. In the update, it shared that Shiba Inu is now among the cryptocurrencies accepted for funding its Visa card. What does that mean? That means that some whales are also, they might slide into crypto.com to be able to use their Shiba Inu, so they won't have to sell. This actually reduces sell pressure, which is what's crazy. I like it. It says the company shared The news with its customers highlighting the inclusion of SHIB alongside other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. This is the message from, I believe, from the crypto.com. It says, "Dear valued customer, we are pleased to inform you that you can now fund your crypto.com Visa card with over 100 top cryptocurrencies across all jurisdictions. These include BTC and ETC, along with meme coins like SHIB. Dot dot dot. So there might be other ones, but that's the main one we're covering right now. It says the announcement seen by the Shib Daily read, quote, I see it as an acknowledgement that Shiba Inu is a valuable asset for crypto.com, CDC. And they think of ways users of their centralized exchange can use their SHIB holdings. Back in 2022, crypto.com had a big chunk of SHIB on its holdings and support trading of bone and leash, end quote. A SHIB Army OG who uses the handle at sand underscore SHIB Army told the Daily SHIB. It says, as a Shiba Inu holder and user of the card, this makes it easy for me to spend SHIB on everyday life, the SHIB Army, end quote, the SHIB Army, who received the email from crypto.com added. So this is basically what you have. You have the a picture of the email going across to a lot of people. So this is how adoption occurs. Basically, you have the majority of people being ushered in, okay, through easy methods like what? Like a credit card, okay? Who doesn't know how to use a credit card? Swipe. All right. So now if you have Shiba Inu, okay, or if you, yeah, let's say you buy Shiba Inu, not financial advice. Let's say you buy Shiba Inu right now. I think it's like under 19, 1900. You buy $1,900 worth of Shiba Inu. If you're lucky enough to have that much money, you'd have 100 million Shiba Inu, right? With at that value. Let's say it does go up to, let's say 301, you would have about $1,800, right? So if it went up 10 times. So you wouldn't even have to sell that. You could just put that into your crypto.com wallet, or it would be there either holding as you stake it. The point is the increase of the value of the token could be generated and then utilized through the credit card. So you wouldn't even have to sell in order to get it to your bank to use it through your bank card if you could just move it into your crypto.com Visa card and therefore have the money there. Those 1,800, if it does go up, of course, not financial advice, right? I do believe it'll go up. If it goes up, then you can basically use that. So whatever it goes up to, you can keep using that. All right, just something for you guys to think about. All right, cool. So this basically says, furthermore, the ability to use SHIB for card funding on major platform like crypto.com could attract new investors looking for versatile and practical cryptocurrency options. This development aligned with Shiba Inu's broader goals of expanding its ecosystem and enhancing the token's functionality beyond speculative trading. All right. And it says, disclaimer, the Shib Daily has contacted crypto.com to verify the details of this exciting news and will provide updates as they become available. Yona has no crypto positions and has not and does not hold any crypto assets. This article is provided for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. All right, with that said, so that's basically what you have, guys. You have the adoption coming quickly. In fact, quicker than most people even know. All right. So once again, that is the exclusive. Once again, you have the SHIB accepted for crypto.com's Visa card. Okay. That is basically how adoption is going to happen. It's not going to have people basically buying and doing it's going to be something practical like a credit card, an everyday utility that people use to purchase things. And with the adoption of cryptocurrency and the facility, eventually people getting paid in cryptocurrency and moving those assets different ways, they too can benefit by getting even 5% according to the amount of assets they hold, no annual fees, as you guys are seeing. And this is not a paid advertisement. Do your own research, but just putting it out there, right? Because we want to get out of this fiat centralized dictatorship. All right, with that said, I appreciate you guys. Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, just came at you. If you want more videos or if you got value from this, go ahead and do me a favor, hit that sub, hit that like, build it up because some of my stuff is time sensitive and urgent. Go ahead and hit those videos right there. And like I always like to say, I am Bone Army. You are Bone Army. We are the Bone Army. And I'm out. I appreciate y'all. Deuces, everyone.